G'day everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie Holder, and today it finally came in the post from DJI, my DJI MAVIC Air 2. So this is a little bit of an upgrade from my DJI MAVIC Mini. Ooh! So we're going from the MAVIC Mini to the MAVIC Air 2. So this is just a bit of a box opening in regards to it. So it literally just arrived. Ooh. So let's do this. Grab my trusty little knife. We're gonna be nice and firm. Get the sticky tape off here. And here, making sure we don't try to break anything. It's just it literally was packaged and was given to me today, which is fantastic. So there we go. And box is now opening. Alright. There we go. So obviously the receipt from where it gets it delivered, and let's get this out. Now I did purchase the Fly More combo. So there we are, the DJI MAVIC Air 2 Fly More combo. The reason why I did get the Fly More combo is the very first drone I did get was actually the DJI MAVIC, or it was actually the Spark. So it was actually a little Sparky. The problem with that was I just got the drone by itself with one battery, and with not really knowing a lot about them, it was like my very first drone to actually fly. A downside is 12-minute battery, that sort of stuff. It just really didn't cut it for myself, and I ended up buying more bits and pieces. Those bits and pieces I ended up buying, bought I think an extra 2 batteries, so I ended up having 3 in total, plus the battery back, all the rest. I didn't get a case, and I spent well over what I would have actually paid if I bought the Fly More combo. So if you're trying to work out whether or not to go the Fly More combo or the regular drone, just get the Fly More combo. It is just a better way of doing it. It's better to be safe, get everything at once rather than just buying an individual thing and buying it separately down the track. There's just no point in doing that. So let's open this up and let's see exactly what we're going. So that's the box there, all the details, beautiful. Yeah, so so what happened is I bought the MAVIC Air 2 online from the DJI's website. It was really good how they did it. I knew exactly what was happening at all times, where my drone was, what part of customs it was coming through, and all that sort of stuff. So I was really impressed by, and also the delivery company, they were fantastic by getting it out to myself. All right. And here we go. That is literally the weight. Just coming off, there we go. Ooh, I love it. The box looks really nice. As we can see, that straight out of the bag, it has the bag, the DJI MAVIC mini bag that comes with the Fly More combo. So we can see that straight away. We'll have a look at what's in here. Looks like we've got some props and some documents. Let's have a bit of a look. Don't need that. So here are the spare propellers, or the props, depending on what you want to call them. So we've got some of them. So we've got more props. So you get one set with by itself. I got the Fly More combo, so I do get a couple there. Just some information in regards to flying in your country. I already know the rules in Australia. Just make sure you don't fly at night time. It's one of the major things that you cannot do. Then we also have just some instruction manuals here as well. There we go. So some instruction manuals. And something else in there, I think. Maybe not. Let's have a look. Doesn't matter if I destroy the box from tipping. No, it's just an empty box in there. Alright, cool. And do's and don'ts. Let's bring this back. Once again, the case just feels like a very quality case. Like I'm really impressed. Oh, wow. Everything is just, look at that. There's the box. The box is really, like everything was just held in there really nice. You feel the weight of that. That actually is, it feels quite heavy with everything obviously inside it. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. At the front. No, that was already open. No, it's not. Okay, so nothing in the front part at all. Alright, let's just open her up from the top. Good thing is about the bag, it feels really sturdy, feels like a good quality bag, doesn't feel like they've cheaped out on the bag whatsoever. And we're just going to open that up, and we've got some bits and pieces in the top. I love how they've put everything in the bag, so you've got a bit of an idea, even before you actually play around with it, you've got a bit of an idea of how this actually is going to be put together. So we're going to open up the top part here, and in here, open this up. I'm not too sure what's in there. And that's one of the battery packs. That's the charger. Open this up. What's in there? Oh. And there's the ND filters. And these are just some spare knobby controller thingies, whatever, the little Joy little stick things, a couple of them. Alright, so that's up the top there. We also have cables, so straight away I need a USB-C is what I need for my phone, but you've got some extra different ones depending on what you're needing. Another USB charger as well, so it's USB-C to USB-A. Fantastic. And okay, this is the accessories just in this one here, and having a bit of a look. So here we go, here's one of the batteries. Now before we set this up, we do need to charge the batteries, because when they fly over, because certain countries you can't fly with a fully charged battery, they are already depleted, and that's just something that normally has to happen depending on the country that you're flying in. Especially in Australia, you do need that to happen. That's a piece of foam, don't need that. So you just got to, so the batteries are flat, so before we can even test anything or even light her up, we've actually got to charge it. So here's a bit more of the charging pack there. Jesus, try not to do that with your batteries, it's never a good thing. And here is the second battery, part of the goodies. This is the charging hub. So there is our little charging hub. That's there. Power it up. Good thing is we can charge all three batteries up at the same time, or you can charge one at a time. So so this little thing here is, what this actually does, this bit here, is you've got your battery. Just say you're out on the field, you've got a little bit of juice left in here, and or your mobile phone is flat, you can connect this up to here, and then you can plug your USB cable into your phone, and you can actually charge your phone with whatever is left. It's a good way of actually bringing down the batteries if you're going to store it for a little bit, because you don't want to store it with a full battery. You actually, that's not a good thing. So it's actually best to deplete it by about 10%. To about 10%. And here we go. Now this is one thing that I'm really looking forward to, is the new controller. Here's the new controller. One thing straight away from This is the Spark controller, and the weight difference is remarkable. Whether or not it's just got a bit of weight, like weights or whatever. Feels really good in the hand. The positioning of here is fantastic. Like, I really like where the thumbs are going to sit. Got the home. Obviously we open this bit here, push. That up. Oh wow, it's got a bit of play. And then obviously you got your cable here, which we need to swap mine out. So at the moment it's set up for an iPhone or an iPad, which is not what I want. So we're going to remove that one and we're going to put in the USB-C. Where are we? We need this one over here. It does go in a certain way, and it does show you which way it needs to go in with the actual, it's got a little picture. You won't be able to see it. But there is a little picture there that tells you which way it's got to go in, and which is the controller, and then you can just swing that around here. Really love how it swings in and it tucks away nice and neatly. Really like how everything's tucked away. We still have the buttons there. It just feels nice. Feels very sporty. I love just the feel of it. Underneath here is where you've got the actual joy pads, or the little sticks, so they can go in here and they screw up. Great for porting this around, so fantastic. That just goes inside like that. Then when you're done, they go in here. The good thing is I've got a few spares just in case I'll lose them. It feels really sturdy in there in the bottom there, placing them in there. It doesn't feel like they're just going to drop out anytime soon. But it is one of those things where you kind of always want to make sure that you've got spare ones. Once again, this is a USB-C in the bottom there, so charging this will be nice and simple. So we'll move that on over here. So once again, we've still got to charge everything up. And now, just looking inside, that's everything that it comes in with the Fly More combo. Once again, the bag is just sensational. I'm really impressed by this bag. And this is actually going to come very, 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 very handy. So we'll place it over there, just next to the Mavic Mini. And here we go. The Mavic Air 2. So let's just bring out the Mini. So just to get a bit of an idea, give you a good idea of how this looks, I thought I'd try to bring out the little stand. But there you go. That is the size difference of the two, just side by side. So you get a bit of a really good idea of how that looks. Obviously there's quite a bit of size difference. This one feels very plastic. This one actually feels quite like the weight difference is amazing. But that is the box opening of the DJI MAVIC Air 2. I really do hope you did like this video. Next video, what I'll do is just go over, we're going to set this up. We're going to charge everything up at the moment, just get everything up and running. Once we've got it charged up, then I'll be able to do a beginner's video, just in case you don't know how to set this up and this is the first time and you're just interested on how to set it up and how easy it is. So I'll be doing a video with that very, 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 very shortly, as I've just charged it up. But other than that, that's just the box opening of the DJI MAVIC Air 2. I do hope you do like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Other than that, hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers.